Hi there, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to buy XRP on your Coinbase wallet. Now by default, this is the app's homepage. Where we have to go is down to our assets on the bottom right, and once here, we simply buy or add crypto. Just tap on that, and by default we're going to be on the network base. So if we look here, you will not be seeing Ethereum. We have to change this drop down on top or change it from here. Tap on that, tap on Binance Smart Chain, and from here we can now search for XRP. There are quite a number of options here, but we can simply type XRP on the search bar and it will be this one right here, the Binance Peg XRP. This is a different type of XRP. To tell if we are getting the correct XRP, we just have to look at the abbreviations right here. Now let's just select that. So for XRP, this is the minimum amount I can trade in. I believe it is different per currency and it is different depending on your region. Once you continue to payment, you will be connected to a different window corresponding to your payment method. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.